Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Snek Meme Coin. It's quite easy to get this token. All you need to do is log on to your browser, and by using our link in the description, you can simply log on to coinmarketcap.com. Once there, simply make your way down to the market section, which houses a list of all the exchanges and decentralized exchanges that host the Snek token, and you can also find the pairs that it's trading for. As you can see, there's Miniswap, there's L-Bank, there's VY Finance. There are lots of pairs. We also have centralized exchanges here that only host the Snek token. That is, centralized exchanges that host the Snek tokens. We have decentralized exchanges as well. So all we're going to do now is we're simply going to be using the Mexi platform. That's the exchange that's the number one exchange that's hosting the Snek token. So all we need to do now is simply minimize and simply download the Mexi app. Once you've downloaded the Mexi app, open up the Mexi application. Now with Mexi opened up, please take note that you must have an account on Mexi. If you do not have an account on Mexi, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 1,000 USDT worth of welcome gifts when you register and verify your account. So guys, with the Mexi opened up, how can you buy the Snek Meme Coin? It's quite easy to get that done. Head to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once at the wallet section, all you need to do is simply click on the deposit option. Once you've selected the deposit option, please make sure you deposit some cryptocurrency you hold outside of the Mexi platform. And as you can see, there are many cryptocurrencies listed here. So all you need to do is find one that you're holding. Another option of depositing is depositing via fiat. So if you click the buy crypto option, you get to buy Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, any cryptocurrency of your choice using the Express option on Mexi. This Express option makes use of your credit card or your debit card to purchase tokens, that is, via your card information. So your card information would be added to your verified Mexi account, and then you can simply be charged, or you would simply be charged from your card. So all you need to do is enter your card type and the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Please make sure you get some USDT. And once you've selected the USDT as the crypto you're looking for, enter the amount of crypto you wish and simply click on buy USDT. So once you've done this, head to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. Once there, Hua USDT, click on this token and simply search for the SNEK, that's the Snek. Click on Snek USDT, and where we have the limit, click on the limit and select market. By doing this, we get to buy the Snek token at the current price of the market. As you can see, all you need to do is enter an amount of USDT you have. So if you have up to 100 USDT or 10 or 5, the limit should be 10 or 5 USDT. You could easily buy your Snek tokens and you'd find them in your wallets. That is at the spot option. So once you reload, you'd find the Snek tokens here. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.